Hey guys, today I've got really intense video for you. I hope all of you will learn something from this situation, so check this out and try it safe. Here we have a situation where emotion took hold despite minor damage.
What did he just say to you?
Well,
What did he just say to you?
It's a rental.
No, you don't give him nothing. You've got the insurance details.
No, I haven't got any insurance. That's what I'm getting. Can you just go and sit back in the car?
Shut your mouth, don't tell me. Don't tell me to sit back in the car.
You're telling me to come down when you're being that way.
You've just told about... Now because I'm saying something, you don't like it. Yeah? About you driving us. It's going to give nothing. You've got the registration of the car.
No, there's not.
Where's their rental car? So if you call them and give them the number plate, they can find it.
What's your name? Okay, Moto, did you see, yeah? No one's trying to drive off. What happened? Exactly, there you go. Overreactor.
Looks like this guy is too laid back. To understand the behavior of this driver who is heading straight towards the biker without using any signals.
What you doing? Whoa, he's reversing!
Yeah, you know you.
An excellent behavior of the biker who spent some time conveying a lot of joy.
Motorcycles? Do you want to rev it? Yeah, maybe when you're older. Yeah? If you stand there, you can just pull that. you just got to pull that. Like, hold on to it and then pull it back. It's a bit loud, isn't it? You're welcome. That's alright. See ya. Bye.
4 nights straight, and then I charged it and ran it for the other 4 nights. But so we had a great time, and dang guy, you're supposed to go out there and turn knock cut plumb across and about hit me.
20, toll. $3,50. Zählst du mal nach? Ist mal alles rausgeplumpst hier. Wie viel sind das? 2,80? Achso, 2,80. Sorry, Dankeschön. Nein, kannst behalten, alles gut. Kannst behalten, alles gut.
We don't see the whole situation, but the biker fell out of the corner, completely destroying her bike.
Non, mais non, mais non, mais non, mais non! C'est qui a appelé là? Alizé?
Ouais, je suis bon.
Ça va?
Ouais, ça va.
T'as des douleurs, non?
Ouais, les jambes.
Les jambes?
Les gars, vous avez appelé ou pas là? Bah go, s'il vous plaît.
Appelle les pompiers, hein?
Je suis désolée les gars, franchement.
Quelqu'un sous mon nez?
Ouais.
Ça va, l'arrière, l'arrière.
Oh, they're angry. Oh, they're yelling. Whoa, seems like taking out 2 lanes now. What happened?
Bro, that guy's driving like a piece of man, and I get on the other lane, he goes like that, I'm like, what the f is this dude? And then he starts going, I'm like, dude, what is your problem?
I know, and I noticed when he pulled up in front, he's like going, taking out 2 lanes, and
I know, but
yeah.
bro, I'm like, he's like, you don't know where you're going either. I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? Like, disrespectful, man. Like, I'm like, dude, like, I don't know.
Damn, too much. Cool, man. Stay safe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You too. Well, at least we got a follow up with the driver.
Calma, meu filho. Calma.
thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.